wabarakatuh. Hello students, my name is Nadia dari Mayang Putri. I'm from 7th semester English Education Department of IAIN Surakarta. How are you today? I'm fine too, thank you. I wish we are always happy and always healthy. Okay students, today I want to explain you about the procedure text. Do you know the procedure text? Yeah, the text to give the information to the reader about the steps to use or to make something. Today, I want to tell you about the definitions, about the characteristic, about the generic structures, and I give you an example and an exercise. Okay, let's start our study. Okay, the first I want to tell you about the definitions of procedure text. What is procedure text? Procedure text is a text that is designed to describe how something is achieved through a sequence of actions or steps. Procedure text is a piece of text that gives us instructions for doing something. Next, the goal. Procedure text is a type of text that aims to describe a command or instructions on how something is achieved in the correct sequence or steps. The procedure text itself is made to have a specific purpose for the reader. The purpose of the text itself is communicative. So the aims of procedure text is to give information the reader about the correct sequence or steps. Okay? Now about the characteristic of procedure text. Uh, the first number one, the characteristic of procedure text is using the simple present tense with the formula S plus V1, subject plus verb 1. Number two, imperative form or command form. Number three, using the verb actions. For example, make, take, boil, cook, stir, pour, and etc. Number four, using temporal conjunctions. For example, first, then, next, after that, and last. Number five, using conjunctions to sequence activities. For example, then, while, and etc. Number six, use adverbs to state detail of time. Place accurate method, for example, for 5 minutes, 2 hours, and etc. And the last is using adverbs to express a state or sequence. For example, the first, the second, the third, the last, and etc. Okay. Next, about the types of procedure text. There are three types about the procedure text. The first, procedure text that describe how something works or how to use an instructions or manual operations. For example, how to use a computer, how to record a video, how to use Polaroid camera. The second type is procedure text that instructs how to do certain activities. For examples, how to make a noodle, how to dance, how to play basketballs. And the last type is the text procedure related to human behavior. For example, how to succeed, how to live happily, how to be a good person. Okay, there are the types of procedure text. Next, the generic structures of procedure text. Goal, materials, steps, and result. Goal provides information about the aims and objectives of the procedure and predict a conclusions. Number two, materials contain a list of material or materials needed to perform a procedure or steps. And steps list the sequence or instructions or activities to reach the goal in the correct sequence of steps. And the result of a series of steps that have been taken. Okay, next I give you an examples about the procedure text. The materials. The procedure text is about how to make a ice cream. The materials: 2 cups milk or cream, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, several cup of ice, 1 cup salt. You need these supplies to make ice cream. tub or large coffee can to hold salt and ice, glass bowl or small coffee can, electric mixer or whisk, ice cream scoop, storage container for freezer. And the next is about the step how to make the ice cream. Okay, read an examples, and next I do an exercises. I ex I will explain about the exercises. Number one, you must rearrange the sentence into the correct procedure text. So you must uh, rearrange the sentence. Okay. Next, I give you a procedure text and the procedure text to answers number 2 until number 5. The answers of question number 2 until number 5 is there in the text procedure. And number 5 is create your own procedure text. But whatever do you want about the use or to about uh, to make some things, whatever do you want. Okay, I think enough about my explanations. Don't forget to always try be yourself. And see ya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.